I'm gonna do this. Okay, let's see if this works. You know, I haven't smoked now for over a month. And I can, wow, I've never seen a goose go up there. What the heck? That's amazing. These geese are territorial and they're picking on each other. Oh, they can be scary when you're next to them and they put their head down like that and run at you. Especially the ones that are bigger. This one up here is king of the mountain. So let's see what's over here. But anyway, I can walk farther without getting short of breath, and it's fabulous. I am in no way perfect, but I am so much better. Ooh. Oh, I thought they were going to land. Here come more. Oh, wow. That's super cool. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, wait, those aren't geese. Those are pelicans. Oh, gosh. That's fantastic. Oh, yeah. I can't see anything with the sun that was in my eyes a few minutes ago. That's beautiful. That was fun. Okay, let's walk over here. Oh, I didn't mean to scare it. Anyway, the funny thing is that part of me has had a habit of when I accomplish something, I have a cigarette for 40 years or more. And so I catch myself thinking about smoking a cigarette. But I like being able to breathe, so I'm not going to do it. You're having a great day. Whatever you are up to. Bye-bye.